All right. Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to take a few minutes here today and talk about graphing. We're going to graph a line using its slope and its y-intercept. All right. So just to remember, everybody, let's remember something that is that y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation, okay? Slope-intercept form, okay? Where m is the slope, this is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. All right, the y-intercept meaning the value of your equation when x is 0. All right, because x equals 0 on the y-axis. So let's look at this one. It says we have a slope of 1/4 and a y-intercept of -8. Right, that means we have y equals 1/4 x plus a -8. Right, which is simply y equals 1/4 x minus 8. Now, step one, you can see I've written it on here. Step one, plot your y-intercept. That's here, right? Right there. That's your y-intercept. All right. That is step one. Step two, you need to get a second point. Well, how do you get the second point? You do the slope where you go up 1, right? It's 1/4. Remember, everybody, again, m is the slope. It's equal to the rise over the run, all right, which is equal to the change in y over the change in x. Delta stands for change. Change in y. How much does y change? It goes up 1. So we go up 1 to the blue point and then over 4 to our second point. We draw the line through it and we're done. Okay, we can do that for anything, everybody. Let's suppose I made another example, okay? Let's write another equation. Suppose I have 3x minus y equals 2, okay? And I go say, let's solve for y. So I subtract 3x from both sides. And I get negative y equals negative 3x plus 2. All right, now I want to get y by itself. So I divide by -1 or multiply by -1, whichever one, it doesn't matter. All right, and I get y equals 3/1 x minus 2, okay? Notice I left it 3/1 instead of just 3. Why is that? So I could use the slope. All right, so here, the slope is 3/1, and the y-intercept is -2. So plot -2 first. That's step one. All right, then go up 3. So 1, 2, 3, up 3 and over 1. All right, and that is my second equation. Let's see if I can get a line to go through there, shall we? See if I can get this to work. And there it is, okay? All right, I can do this for any equation, anybody, as long as I know the slope-intercept, which is form, which is y equals mx plus b. I can use the slope and the y-intercept to plot any equation. First thing of all, what do? Plot your y-intercept. Second thing, what do? Use your slope, whatever it is. The rise over the run. Go the change in y always goes up or down. If it's negative or positive, the change in x always goes to the right. And you can make this as simple and as easy as possible. All right, super good, guys. Thank you much. Have a great rest of your day.